In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment plan on Affirm. Before we talk about adjustments, it helps to understand how your payment schedule is set up from the start. If you choose a plan with monthly installments, your first monthly payment is usually due 1 month after your purchase is processed. Processed means the merchant has finalized the order, which often happens when they're ready to ship. If a down payment was required, that portion is charged at checkout, right when you place the order. After that, each monthly payment is due on the same calendar day every month. It's also normal for your loan to show as processing in your account until the merchant ships your item. If you select a plan with bi-weekly installments, your first payment may be due at the time of purchase. Once the plan starts, remaining installments are due every 2 weeks. If you weren't asked to pay upfront, your first bi-weekly payment will be due 2 weeks after the purchase is processed and then every 2 weeks until the balance is paid off. In some cases, Affirm may offer shorter schedules like 2 installments where the first payment is due 15 days after processing or a single payment due 30 days after processing. A down payment may still be required at checkout depending on the offer you accepted. Now you might be wondering whether you can change your payment schedule. The due dates themselves can't be changed. That means the calendar day set when your loan started will remain the same. However, you do have control over how your payments are made. If you turn on autopay, you can set automatic payments on a date that works for you, as long as the payment posts by the due date. This is a great way to align payments with your paycheck cycle and avoid missing a deadline. You can find autopay options in your Affirm account, and the Help Center has more details about how it works. For the most accurate information about your specific loan, due dates, amounts, and any down payment, always refer to the confirmation you received when you checked out and your Affirm account dashboard. Those will reflect the exact schedule tied to your order and when the merchant processed it. Follow these guidelines to understand what you can and can't change, and use autopay to keep everything running smoothly.